Here are some action verbs for you.
I am walking. I am walking. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am eating food. I am eating food. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am writing. I am writing. I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am playing outside. I am playing outside. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am cooking food. I am cooking food. I am driving a car. I am driving a car. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am singing a song. I am singing a song. I am talking to you. I am talking to you. I am reading a book. I am reading a book.